So we are going to come down by ½ inch on the shoulder in order to slant the shoulder, just like this. Yeah, join it to the shoulder, then just curve out the armhole like so. That is it. So that's it for the drafting of this pieces, this blouse. We are going to go ahead and cut it out. So we'll cut this out first. We use it to cut out the front, the back panel before we go ahead to cut the front. So we are going to go ahead and use this to cut out the back panel. Of course, you know the zipper is not going to be on the back, so we are going to go ahead and fold this zipper part in, so we can use it to cut out the, can use this pattern to cut out the back panel. So guys, I went ahead to place my pattern piece on the fabric after folding it. So we are going to be doing some alterations here. And when we come on the waistline, there's going to be a joining on the back, on the center back. When we come on the waistline here, we need to go in by ½ inch, like so. We need to go in by ½ inch. So let's say there's a joining here. The joining is just here. We just measured ½ inch joining, like so. Then when we come on the waistline, there won't be any ½ inch. We are going to remove that ½ inch off on the waistline. This is to avoid any form of bulge. Then on this dart here, we move this, we folded this in like this. That's because there's no bust in the back. That's why we folded this in like so. Just fold yours like this. Yes, around that bust area, fold it in so that there won't be any bulge there. So we are going to go ahead now and cut this out, leaving out ½ inch for sewing allowance, like so. For joining allowance. So this is for the back panel. We are just going to go ahead and take off the pins, and then we'll mark it so we don't get confused while sewing it. We'll label it so we don't get confused while sewing it. So this is the wrong side of one side of the back, wrong side of one side of the back, and also the wrong side of one side of the back, just like this. So we're going to set this aside and work on the pattern so we can cut the front pattern, the front part. So this is it. So the only thing we are doing here is just this part here. We are going to be taking off this part like so. Like so, just like this. Yeah, simple. And also this part like so. And also the shoulder slants. So we'll go ahead and place this on our fabric and then cut it out. So the neck, also we are cutting out the neck too, the front neck round like so. So this is what we got for the front. So go ahead and place it on our fabric and cut it out. So guys, I went ahead to pin this down, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out so you can see using my scissors. So this is for the back front piece. I'll go ahead and take off these pins so we can level it. Sorry guys, we forgot to cut this part out, this part out. So we're going to go ahead and label this wrong side of one of the fronts and wrong side of the fronts. Same thing goes with this. We slit this open. So I slitted this, guys. I'm going to mark label it wrong side of the front. Wrong side of the front. So that's it with the bodies. This is what we got in front panel. So we're going to go ahead now and mark the slits.